Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. It is Tuesday, January 20th, 2026. Uh, I hope you all have had a good day. I know I did. Got to stop and enjoy some time at a coffee shop with a friend. So thank you, my friends. Blessings to you and yours. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines. Like I said, about five. Gosh, is that right? Yeah, 5:28 p.m. Uh, got to spend time there, and then got over and tried to get some food at the grocery store. Wandered over, hit Watson's drugstore, and got some Pepsodent. Yeah, Pepsodent or Polydent. Got to keep these things clean. So, and I got two boxes because the last time I was there, they didn't have any. So, when you find them, get extra. Ah, I'm tired between walking the mall for groceries, walking back over to Watson's for Polydent, uh, getting over there and spending time with friends, and then getting back over here and getting some food to eat after having run around. It's sitting up here. Uh, yeah, I'm tired. It's been a very good day, and I hope everybody is doing good. Yeah, I don't even know where my energy came from today because, like I was telling Koya, I quite honestly, I was go for a ride, get out and do something, or roll over and go back to bed. It came close to being roll over and get back to bed. So thank you for getting me out of the house and a reason. Uh, Boy. Oh, got my bike washed. Oh, did it need it? Looked like two different bikes before and after. So, yay. Quite honestly, I'm ready to go to sleep. But I know that you know, only have so much time to. I got to stay awake long enough to at least go get cleaned up, and decided to get this here done before I went and got cleaned up. Uh, yeah. Anyway, gosh, yeah, I've had a very long one, so I'm going to call it. Yeah. Anyway, lots of foods, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. It's always important, more food. Uh, oh, jeez. Uh, yeah, I sit down and eat that food. I'll probably fall asleep sitting here in this chair if I do it. So I probably should get out of this chair before I fall asleep. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. Thank you. Thank you again. And y'all do you. It's your department. It's all these choices are something you get to choose what you do with you. So choose to live and enjoy life. Even on the days that you're running ragged, it could have been worse. Be thankful it wasn't. And enjoy getting to run ragged. I know between, well, Thursday, Friday, those were kind of light days. Saturday, Sunday were heavy, monstrous. And then again today uh, is Tuesday. Monday was sort of hectic, but not quite that bad, but hectic enough. So, yeah, it's been worth doing. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out.